Here I have OPPO F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the apps section, special app access. Okay, pardon me. You go to the password and security, then you go to the system security, app installation sources, and here you can enable like other installation sources from Play Store. For example, we can enable Chrome and install apps through the Google Chrome. The same goes to DuckDuckGo and I don't know, maybe Gmail and PUBG Mobile gift box. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.